Talafalava from the big island of Savai'i, here in beautiful Samoa. It is live broadcast time again with Samoa Tourism, and we are here at one of the spectacular sites in Savai'i, Alofaaga Blowholes. These impressive blowholes in the village of Tangapalauli on southwest Savai'i propel a roaring jet of water hundreds of feet up into the air. Come on, let's go see. Woo! That's massive. And another one. These powerful blowholes are among the most remarkable on Earth and well worth watching. Strong waves are pushed through a series of lava tubes, causing rip-roaring, geyser-like explosions that shoot dozens of meters into the air. Woohoo! But you know what? It is particularly worth watching when coconuts are thrown into the holes and you see it blast off like cannonballs. Let's try it out. Remember, keep your distance from the hole. Oh. Let's try it one more time. I think our coconuts are too heavy. Let's get another one. Let's try one more time. Okay, I give up. But let's take a look from above. I wish you were here with me, enjoying this beautiful view and the soothing sound of waves blowing out of the lava holes. And don't forget, I also received some vitamin C. Now you have something to add to your bucket list of things to do and places to visit on your next trip to beautiful Samoa when the borders open up again. But if you're watching locally, now is the time to plan that getaway with family and friends and stop by here at Alofaaga Blowholes in the big island of Savai'i so you can witness this majestic view. Thank you for watching us today, but don't forget to like and follow Samoa Tourism's Facebook and Instagram so you don't miss out on our weekly live broadcasts. Till next time, Tō whāsoi fua.